Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some delicious egg roll. This recipe is very simple and straightforward. Trust me guys, it's not something that would actually take your time. You need some ingredients like your salt, your sugar, your baking powder. You can use baking powder or baking soda, but not using baking soda, you need an activator, which is your vinegar or any acidic food substance like your yogurt or maybe like a lemon juice or lime. You also need some margarine, some egg and flour. The full ingredients will be in the description box below. Don't go anywhere. Now let's get started. In your mixing bowl, add all your dry ingredients as your flour, your sugar, your salt and baking powder. Mix this thoroughly until everything is fully combined together. Next thing I did, I added some nutmeg. This is optional. This is totally optional. You can either add nutmeg or cinnamon depending on what flavor you want. Then mix this also until everything is fully combined. Next step, go in with your softened butter. Please emphasis on the softened butter. Mix this until it looks like breadcrumbs, and you know when it looks like breadcrumbs. So just mix the butter in the flour and massage it gently with the tip of your hands until it looks exactly like this. So the next step, your wet ingredients, which is our egg mixture. My egg mixture has been mixed with water, so you can opt for this or just add your plain raw egg, then add water bit by bit. So mix this until it forms a dough, until everything comes together, and you want to mix gently. Please emphasize on also add your egg mixture or your water bit by bit so the dough is not too soft. Then you want to achieve a texture like this, not too sticky and not too thick like that. So next thing, I covered for at least 5 minutes to allow the dough to rest before we work on it. Then after 5 minutes, bring out your dough and it should look exactly like this. Cut into tiny bits. You can either use a scale to measure, but I just rather eyeballed it. This is totally optional. You can use a scale for this. So I cut into 5 pieces, and you can cut into more than that if you want to like make it like maybe a business stuff, or you want to get more egg roll from this. So I just eyeballed it and cut it into 5 pieces. Then the next thing is to shape your each cut out dough into a ball shape. If you notice the dough is quite sticky, you can sprinkle some flour on your work surface or just dust your fingers or your palm with flour to prevent the sticking. But as you can see in this video, my dough is not sticky at all. So trust me, if you follow the recipe, you should achieve something like this. So the next step is cutting your egg into your flour. This is plain flour, nothing was added to this flour. This also helps when you are shaping your egg roll, and it prevents it from directly sticking to the dough and making a mess when you want to shape your egg roll out. So make sure you coat all your eggs in flour, and when that is done, bring out each shaped dough and flatten with your palm. You don't need a rolling pin for this, just bring out the edges and flatten it until you get at least a flattened out dough that you know it is enough to wrap the eggs in. So when this is done, bring each egg and place it directly in the middle. Emphasis on the middle. Then just bring the edges of the dough together around the egg until everything is covered. Then once that is done, you try to shape this into a ball shape also, as you did earlier before, and then just play with it until it is kind of like coming together into a ball shape. Then if you notice the dough is kind of like a bit too much, you can actually like cut it out. You can cut it out and you can cut like the excess of it out of it. So this other one too, I'm just repeating the whole process again so you can actually see what I'm doing. Flatten it out, place your egg in the middle, wrap it around the egg, then shape it into a ball shape. Then when I mentioned excess dough before, I'm going to be showing you in this next one I'm doing. The dough was actually a bit too much, so as you are shaping, you actually notice that the excess dough comes at the bottom side. So just cut it off using your fingers. I mean, if you can't, just use like your chinchi cutter or maybe a knife to just cut it out from it, then also shape it back into the ball shape. So I'll be repeating this process for the remaining eggs, and please be gentle when you're doing this. You don't want to like overwork the dough. Next step, put on some oil or heat up some oil. We are deep frying this, emphasis on deep frying. You don't shallow fry your egg roll, it is deep fry, so you need a lot of oil. Place this onto medium to low fire and allow it to like heat up, and when it is done, place your egg roll in it and fry. Please, you want to make sure that your oil is not too hot and too cold, so everything is going to get cooked evenly and you won't have the outer part cooked and the inside uncooked. And fry on low to medium heat by turning the sides regularly to ensure all the sides get that golden brown look, exactly like this. You can see how this is looking so amazing and so good already. So when all this is done, fry the next batch also until everything is completely cooked. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button, like and also share. Please do not hesitate to drop your comments because it goes a long way. And if you are an old returning subscriber, please do like this video and also share to your loved ones. After frying, your egg roll should look amazing just like this. Please don't forget to turn on your notification, hit the subscribe button and also like this video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe if you haven't. Will you be trying out this recipe? See you in my next video. Bye.